Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. My name is Dr. Dave, and we're running this thing called 5 Saturdays. I think this is our 4th time in early college high school. Name of the tent. So the first thing I want you guys to do before we start is to write your name on the tent. Come on. You guys are sleepy. Hand up, put your right hand in,
and you shake it out.
The story is really an example of how you can set up a business, what kind of
You guys write down the answer. What do you think the answer is? Okay, write down what you think your answer is.
That's totally fine. I know a lot of you guys are new to State University courses. And empathetic individual during my 8th grade graduation.
You got the main group with Annabelle.
Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace wouldn't want us, our construction. And for a freemium thing, we were talking about having a monthly program.
We were thinking of having fandom meetings.
For all of our games, you can customize things, you can have skins, it's a steal.
Facilitators with Dr. Martinez. What do you think was a happy?